Once again, the father and mother of Fritz Ann, Alex Olivernes, and Erica Consinen. And of course, her siblings. Together with her escort, Mr. Justin Olivernes.
Hello po, magandang gabi, mabuhay. Happy birthday, Fritz. 18 ka na and ang wish ko sa'yo is long life. Hindi natin alam na kung ano yung bukas. So, I want you to enjoy every moment, especially this day. Enjoy this with your loved ones. Nandyan si Mommy, si Daddy, yung siblings mo, and your friends. And ang napasain sa akin is long life, no? So, wish ko sa'yo na may mga battles tayo na kaya nating kaharapin. May mga battles na kapag ginawa natin yung best, is enough na. So, may mga taong kailangan na nating makasama. Andyan sila, si Daddy, si Mommy, si Tita, yung mga pinsan mo, at yung mga taong magmamahal sa'yo, and your future boyfriend. Uy, joke lang. And ang wish ko sa'yo is, kapag hindi mo na kaya, call him. Palagi siyang nakatingin sa atin. Laging nakaandyan ang kanyang mga kamay. Binubuhat ang cross na mabigat sa iyong likuran. Siya ang naglilid sa liwanag na parang kandila. And Fritz, I want to remind you that sa pinakamadilim na lugar, naandun yung liwanag. At nandito kami para suportahan ka. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Dahil yung palagi kong paalala, ang bawat problemang mabigat, gumagaan kapag marami ang pumapasan. I'm here for you. I love you.
Thank you so much, and that was again, Jerson Coronel.
Hello. So nakaka-pressure po kasi ang haba ng message niya pero ito, happy birthday, Fritz. We've been friends since elementary and I know na minsan di tayo okay pero I want you to know na lagi ako nandito para sa'yo. Kami lahat ng mga kaibigan ko para sa'yo. Wish ko lang na sana maging best yung health mo. Not just physically but also mentally and also spiritually. Lagi mong tandaan na nandito kami and also be humble as always. And sana sa college life mo, huwag mo kami kalimutan. Yun lang. I love you.
So, happy birthday, first of all. And, ayan, so, ang beautiful mo today. Always loud. Ayan, so, ayan, I'm wishing you a happy birthday. And, ayan, sana enjoy mo yung gabing to. And sana na-enjoy mo yung buong araw since kayo ng umaga. And, ang wish ko lang din sa'yo is, to enjoy life. You're now entering a new journey wherein madaming possibilities na mangyari, madaming challenges, but always remember na no matter what happened, I will be here for you and always trust in yourself. Kasi sa lahat ng pagsubok, yung sarili mo lang talaga yung kakampi mo, no matter what happens. And ayun lang, happy birthday, and I love you always.
Next one is Esmeralda Consejero.
Happy birthday, Fritz. Sa bagong yugto ng iyong buhay, naway maging kaagapay mo ang tibay ng loob at matatag na determinasyon. Ang pagiging ganap na dalaga ay hindi lamang tungkol sa edad. Ang pagiging ganap na dalaga ay hindi lamang tungkol sa edad, kundi tungkol sa kakayahang harapin ang bawat hamon ng may tapang at pananampalataya. Tandaan na hindi kailangan perpekto ang bawat hakbang. Ang mahalaga ay hindi ka sumusuko at patuloy mong ipaglalaban ang mga pangarap mo. Naway maging maliwanag ang daan na tatahakin mo at maging inspirasyon sa iba ang lakas na ipinapakita mo araw-araw. Ipagpatuloy mo ang pagiging matapang, mabait at determinado. Narito kami para suporta sa iyo sa bawat panibagong simula.
Alright. We would like to call on Tita Telma Coronado.
Hello, Prince. Nabigla ako. Di ko alam kung ano. Ano sasabihin ko? Happy birthday, Prince. Alam ko, kayang-kaya mo lahat ang mga journey na lalakarin mo habang ikaw ay nag-aaral. Habang ikaw ay nadadagdagan ang iyong edad. Kayang-kaya mo yan hanggang sa marating ang iyong mga pangarap. Happy birthday again. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, and now we would like to call Shaina Consejero.
To may inaanak, sa pagpasok mo sa mundo ng pagiging ganap na dalaga, naway dalhin mo ang tapang na harapin ang bawat hamon at ang matibay na loob na abutin ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Hindi man palaging madali ang buhay, tandaan mo mas malakas ka kaysa sa anumang unos na darating. Ang tunay na tapang ay hindi kawalan ng takot, kundi ang pagpapatuloy kahit may pangamba. At ang matatag na kalooban ay hindi lang lakas, kundi ang araw-araw na pagpili sa sarili, sa mga pangarap mo at sa iyong patuloy na paglago. Keep believing, keep fighting, and keep shining. Your journey is just beginning, and you're destined for amazing things. Cheers to your courage, your strength, and the incredible future waiting for you. I love you so much, Nana. Happy birthday.
We would like to call on Jazel Abilgos.
Good evening po. Hello, Be. Happy birthday. Congrats. Hindi ka na minor, kaya ingat-ingat. Pwede na. Ingat-ingat sa mga desisyon natin sa buhay. Alam kong matalino kang bata. Given sa'yo yon, thank you, Lord. Alam ko din yung effort mo sa pag-aaral, yung pressure mo. Proud kami sa'yo. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan, isa yan sa magdadala sa'yo, pataas, magiging bala mo sa pag-unlad mo. I wish you the best luck and success, and may your knowledge always be source of your strength, and also wishing you a lifelong journey of learning full of discovery and personal growth. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Dito lang si ate.
We would like to call on Apples Olifernes.
Happiest birthday, Ate Fritz. And first and foremost, I would like to say thank you for your endless love and support. Naway matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. hindi ko man po lagi sinasabi to or hindi ko man napaparamdam pero mahal na mahal po kita ate ko. And I wish for your safety kahit saan ka man pumunta. Kahit sobrang galaw mo. Kasi sobrang galaw mo. And as you enter the legality world, may you find the beauty that God can offer for you. Happy birthday, ate. Please. My birthday to come and stay pretty. Pero mas maganda ako sa'yo. Hindi ako papayag. Happy birthday again. Love you, ate.
Once again, that was Apple, Solifernes, Fritz and siblings. We would like to call on Hilary Mapano.
Happy birthday! So ayun, wish ko sa'yo is magkaroon ka ng success every step you take. Tapos, ayun. Pero above all, I wish na makuha mo yung genuine happiness na gusto namin for you. Gusto kita makita na masaya ka sa mga ginagawa mo and sa gagawin mo sa future. So ayun, you deserve a life where your heart feels loved and supported.
Thank you so much, and that was again Hilary.
Happiest birthday, Fritz Ann. I have witnessed almost all of your heartbreaks, romantic man or platonic, even sa family mo. Kaya ang wish ko sa'yo is may you find someone who gives you the same energy, love, and appreciation you give them. Someone who will value you and reciprocate every effort and love you give them. Always remember na nandito lang kami mga kaibigan mo lagi kahit madalas ka namin kinukupal. I love you so much and sana humanap ka na ng boyfriend na may kotse para secure na tayo sa college.
Thank you so much, and that was again Jewel. May we call on S.C. Olifernes in behalf of Joanne Castillo.
I wish you a blessed and abundant life. Learn how to save and when to spend, when to give and what to take. Happy birthday, Ian Love, Ate Joanne.
Thank you so much. That was again S.C. May we call on Dali Condima.
Your beauty is eternal. Keep blooming. I love you.
Thank you so much, and that was again Miss Dali Condima. We would like to call on Rian Estrada.
Hi there. Happy birthday. May you always find yourself in the right place at the right time. And may success come on your way. I wish you a happiest birthday, and I will always want you to be happy. So, just smile. I love you.
Thank you so much, and that was again Rian. Last but not the least, me, myself, and I. Ako pala yung huli. I hope and wish that you find the strength and clarity to pursue a path that truly resonates with your inner self, bringing you peace, happiness, and satisfaction. Tita loves you, and I'll always be guiding you. Happy birthday, please. Ayan, we would like to wish a photo op, ayan, for each, hindi mo na, mamaya pala, ibublow muna ng ating debutant ang mga kandila. Paano niya yan ibublow? Hindi ko din alam. Many ancient cultures believe that the smoke carried their prayers to the heavens. So, at the count of 3, members of the 18 candles, let's all say, may all your wishes come true, and blow the candles together in 1, 2, 3. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday, Fritz. Kami na lang yung mag-blow ng candle for you. Happy birthday, Beb. Photo op muna for everyone. Pagkasyahin nyo
dito na sa loob. More birthdays to come and live your life to the fullest. God bless you.
Now may we call on Mark Luigi Manalo. May we call on Eric Velasco. May we call on Ayesha Francia.
Welcome to Reality Friends at May. Sana maging useful yung treasure ko sa'yo, sa new adventure mo. Wala bang... Wishing you more blessings and good opportunities. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much once again, Ayesha. May we call... Bagay na bagay talaga. Kating ko. Piosa Salon Package, ang ating crimson and keratin. Bagay na bagay sa iyong long hair. And of course, the trip to Korea, our Korean noodles. Thank you so much. Sila po yung mga nakakakilala kay Fritz. Yung mga nanghula. At tumama naman.
Starbucks.
Ayan, gusto